If you have an Outlook messages and you want to export them to an Excel file, do the following. First, create new Microsoft Access on the desktop and open it. Then, go to External Data, New Data Source, from Other Sources, Outlook folder. OK, your name in the Outlook. Press it, select Inbox, Next, and finish. Then close. Now select this table and then in External Data, Export to Excel. Select on Desktop and press OK and close. Now close Access file. This is the Excel file. Open it and you will find all messages.